Hey guys, in this video I want to show you what some of the results of just getting leads for free from social media can actually do. So this happened just an hour ago. As you can see in my Slack, a new lead for my cleaning business will look in your book, move in, move out clean, 1,400 square feet. This, if we book it, is going to be roughly like $550 job, around 50% margin. With then another lead came in just a couple minutes later for another move in, move out clean of a 1 bedroom apartment. Our minimum cleaning for that is going to be 400. So again, that's also another 50% margin job if we can get that booked. So both of these leads, as you can see, they heard us from Facebook, and I haven't been running any ads this entire month. So let me break down how I was able to get these right now. So Facebook, we go through here. So there's a lot of shit on Facebook, and a lot of it isn't really useful. But for me, what has been super useful is just commenting in certain groups where people are looking for these types of services. So in my case, oh my God, honestly, I don't remember where it went. I'm going to have to find it again. The exact post. Give me 1 second. Okay, so here's like one of them. Let's load this on Facebook. So this one was in Columbia City Facebook group, which is one of the Facebook groups within my service area. You can see I kind of commented here down below. And pre-sale cleaning. So I'm 99% certain this is where these leads came from. And one thing to note is that it's not just the person who makes the post that could be a potential lead. It's literally everyone else who sees this post. So as you imagine in your timeline, in your news feed, you get posts from other Facebook groups that you're in, just, coming across your feed, and, people take note of those. So in this case, this person may not necessarily become a lead, but everyone else who's looking at this thread will see everything else and then potentially become a lead if they're interested as well. One other, pro tip here, if you look at all this, it's just a bunch of text, whatever. But if you see, I have this, I think it's called OG, like open image or something. Like I customized it to show an offer that we're currently running. And this stands out amongst everything else. So highly, highly recommend doing that if you have a website. And that will increase the click-through rates to actually be able to have this work. Again, this is just one of the groups in my local area. We have like other really good groups. So if you click on any of these other ones, this is from the Wallingford and Fremont community. This is another group in my area. And, I think I need to go through some of these and be better on top of it, but definitely all I have to do is just comment on these. And then as you see here, like these leads are just coming through, right, from Facebook. Haven't run any ads at all. Highly, highly recommend you guys do this. So yeah, let me know if you guys have any questions. And if you're curious, like what tool I use to actually monitor all these, this is Cinder.ai. I think they're currently offering like a free 7-day trial. So check it out. See you in the next one.